Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. As per the different sources, today, which is January 8, 2021, the French President Emmanuel Macron's top advisor, Emmanuel Bon, and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval will hold the annual strategic meeting to review the progress made in the 10,000 megawatt nuclear power plant which is going to be set up in Maharashtra. The nuclear power plant which we are talking about here is the Jaitapur Nuclear Power Project, which is proposed by Nuclear Power Corporation of India. This project is going to be built at Madban village of Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra. Not just that, the meeting would also be used to take a confirmed decision on building the 6 diesel electric submarines under Project 75I for the Indian Navy. Under this project, the Indian Navy intends to acquire 6 diesel electric submarines, which will also feature an advanced air independent propulsion systems. We know that Naval Group of France was one of the foreign manufacturers which was shortlisted for this particular project. Even though France has been one of India's most reliable partners in Europe for years, post the deal of 36 Rafale fighters, these two countries' relationship has become more strong. France is very much interested to help India with many of its defense tasks and developments. If we list few of the initiatives, the leading French engine manufacturer Safran were ready to transfer the full technology for jet engines that can power the next generation fighter jets, and they were even ready to develop the Kaveri engine along with India. The latest update is that France is also ready to manufacture the combat proven Rafale fighters in India if the order numbers are closer to 100. All this topic came into light when Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria for the first time officially indicated that the decision to buy 2 more squadrons of Rafale fighter jets is under consideration. The French government has already told the Indian government that Rafale can be made in India if there are higher numbers. This will also be raised during the strategic level talks and interactions between the two sides at various levels, which might happen either today or sometime later. While 36 Rafale fighter jets were procured under the emergency clause, the Indian Air Force is working on a tender for 114 new fighters, and if France is given with this particular order, I am sure Rafale can be made in India. Once the manufacturing facility is set up in India, France has also promised that Rafales would also be exported to other countries from India. As per the sources, looks like Dassault Aviation is working on setting up a third hangar at the Nagpur facility, which is a joint venture with Anil Ambani's Reliance Defence. So let us hope India goes for more orders for Rafale fighter jet so that Dassault Aviation can set up their production facility in India. They would be having 2 production lines, one in France and another one in India, and the Indian plant will produce Rafales for other countries as well. We know that many countries like Greece, Malaysia, Indonesia and Switzerland have placed an order for this particular powerful jet. Few more quick updates on Rafale fighters. It looks like Rafale fighters would be participating in Republic Day 2021 celebration. Yes, the newly acquired modern multi-role Rafale fighters of Indian Air Force will be flying over Rajpath as part of the fly past on 72nd Republic Day. Another update is that looks like France has performed a first test firing of an updated MBDA ASMPA nuclear missile from Dassault Rafale fighter, and I believe this was conducted on 9th December 2020. This test involved the airframer and weapons provider plus the flight test organization of France DGA Defense Procurement Agency. Tracking of the unarmed medium-range missile was performed from relevant facilities. So that was a quick update on various happenings with the powerful Rafale fighters and also the intention of France to manufacture these fighters from India if Indian Air Force and Indian Navy places more orders for the same. Hope this is taken care at the earliest so that India can have a mix-up of various platforms from Russia, India, France and obviously indigenous fighters. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.